Welcome to Disney Theme Park World. We're here at Hong Kong Disneyland.
Welcome to Mystic Manor. 歡迎大家嚟到迷你大宅 home to a world-class collection of art, antiquities, and my personal residence. I am Lord Henry Mystic. The young fellow at my side is Albert, my traveling companion, confidant, and mischievous partner. Yes, Albert, that's you. Now run along. Well, for several years now, Albert and I have traveled the world in search of rare and precious artifacts for you to enjoy as you tour our home in Mystic Manor. These are just a few of our treasures. And here's our latest acquisition, an ancient music box. Legend has it that this charming music box has the power to bring inanimate objects to life with the touch of its enchanting music. Superstition and nonsense. Oh my. Well, we shall see when we open it, shan't we? Albert, who's a little fellow can't keep his hands off that music box. Yes, you like that box, don't you? We'll examine it later. Now, what was I saying? Oh, yes. Welcome, one and all, to Mystic Manor. I better go find the little beggar. He's always up to something.
作家，为了您的安全，上车时请注意脚下，上车后请不要离开座位，请不要将手扶。
Hey guys, here's a magical tip from Disney Theme Park World. You ask cast member for row 5. Because row 5 is one of the front seats and it's got the best views throughout the entire ride. This tip is recommended by Mystic Manor cast members, so now it's yours to enjoy.
Hello there. I was just looking for... Oh, there's the music box I told you about. I must find my little friend. Cool. Well, I do hope you've enjoyed your visit to Mystic
Good boy. Until next magical adventure, have a zippity-doo-dah day. Please make sure to subscribe and see you real soon.